Welcome, in front of me I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I will show you how you can check the number of apps opened each day. So at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to find the digital well-being. And here you can find the unlocks. So let's tap on it. And when you scroll down, now you can see how many times each app was opened. So for example, the Chrome was opened 33 times and the settings was opened 296 times, so a lot of times, because actually we are recording tutorial videos, so that's why that many times we open the app. And of course you can switch right here from the days, from the weeks, so we can check every day and every week. You can go back to the three weeks ago, and here you can also switch times opened to notification received and screen time. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.